finance lease, and then there is an operating lease.
There are internal auditors everywhere, then how did that Vijay Mallya fraud even happen?
Gross profit will give me the sales.
Are internal auditors as independent as external auditors?
Moving on, what happens in this particular chapter is that we need to understand there are different types of markets, okay? We just saw that when I use the word market, there are various terms, right? Even these markets can be divided into categories like capital market, money market, commodity market, derivatives, insurance, and your foreign exchange market. So what are these? These are different types of market, and within this market we have primary market and secondary market. So let's just have a quick glance at what does each market help you with, right? So if I'm talking about capital market, we already discussed that capital market is a market where the stocks and bonds are traded. Money market is a market where short-term investments are traded. Commodity market is a market where traders and investors buy and sell natural resources. Okay, so generally here what is being traded? Natural resources, for example, oil, spices, right? Steel, metal, gold. These are some of the examples of commodities market. Then you have derivative market, which we are going to understand in detail when we are doing the next chapters, that is the risk management chapters. So what happens in a derivative market? This is a market where different types of derivatives are bought and sold, like forwards, futures, options, swaps. So these are the various derivatives that have been are being traded in the derivative market. And insurance market, as the name says, these you know, right? In India we have LIC, which is like world famous. So that it revolves around the business of buying and selling insurance and the companies that are involved in it, right? They facilitate redistribution of various types of risk. So here they help you with buying and selling of insurance, and I hope everybody has an insurance. And again, when I talk about insurance, it is more of, again, we need to understand it is of two types. There is a life insurance, there is a health insurance, and then there is a term insurance. So life insurance is what everybody buys, but to be honest, in my opinion, it doesn't give you as much as return what it gives from the other markets. Then you have a health insurance, which is very important, and that has to be, every individual needs to have a health insurance considering the world's uncertainty. And then comes term insurance, which is being quite popular these days. So all these types of insurance are dealt in the insurance market.